Growsmarters. I hope that you're well and that you're growing smarter and smarter every day. Thank you for all your hard work thus far. Today's challenge is from the Growsmart newspaper, the 2020 second edition, and we're looking at number 9. Number 9 reads like this. The chef at the restaurant feeds the birds with old bread. If the birds eat 1/3 of a loaf a day, how long will it take the birds to eat 5 1/3 loaves? What are the smart things to do? That's right, we must analyze and describe the sum in different ways. What is a third? A third is one of 3 equal parts of a whole. What must we do with a loaf of bread to get thirds? That's right, we must divide the loaf into 3 equal parts. Another smart thing to do is to draw up a table. How many columns do we need? We need 4 columns and 6 rows. One column we're going to use for the number of loaves. Second column we're going to use for the equal parts. And the third column we're going to use for the thirds, the fractions. And then the fourth column we're going to use for the number sentences. So, if I have 1 loaf of bread, I will have 3 equal parts. The fraction will be 3/3. If I have 2 loaves of bread, I will have 6 equal parts, and the fractions will be 6/3. If I have 3 loaves of bread, I will have 9 equal parts, and the fraction will be 9/3. What do we notice? We notice that every time we add 3, 3, and 3. And we know that repeated addition is equal to multiplication. So, what can we say? If we have 1 loaf of bread and we multiply it by 3/3, we will have 3/3. If we have 2 loaves of bread, we multiply by 3/3, we will have 6/3. And if we have 3 loaves of bread, we multiply by 3/3 and we have 9/3. So, if we have 5 loaves of bread, we multiply by 3/3, we will have 15/3. But the question is asking for 5 1/3. So what must we do with the extra third? Well, we simply add it to the 15/3 and now we have 16/3. So what does that mean? It means 16/3 will feed the birds for 16 days. Let's check. 16 divided by 3 is equal to 5, and there will be a remainder of 1/3. 5 1/3 loaves of bread will feed the birds for 16 days. And wow, we have solved the problem. Are you ready for your next challenge? Thinking caps on. If the birds eat 1/4 loaf of bread a day, how long will it take the birds to eat 6 3/4 loaves? Well, that's it for today. Enjoy your challenge. Don't forget to post your answer as comments. Remember, if at first you don't succeed, try and try again. Keep practicing, grow smarter and smarter. Until the next time, thank you and goodbye.